How are you all? Hope you are doing good. Okay, children, welcome to our another session of vocabulary from our third class first unit. Okay, children, before that, I want to show you few things. You have to tell me what they are and how they are. Okay, come. Yes, what is this? This is a ball. And what is this? This is also a ball. But how is this? This is big. And how is this? This is small. So, the balls are different. They are not the same, isn't it? This is big and this is small. These are opposite. Okay, children. Now you understood what we are going to learn in this session. Yes, children, we are going to learn opposite words. So, opposite words are different. They are not the same. So, the opposite of big is small. What is the opposite of big? Small. Okay, children? Got it? Now, let's see a few more things. Okay? See, children. What are these? These are earbuds. How many earbuds are there in this box? There are many earbuds, isn't it? And how many are there in this? There are very few. Just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are very few earbuds. So, many, few. So, the opposite of many is few. Got it? What is the opposite of many? Few. Okay, children? Next. What is this? This is a paperweight. It is very heavy. And see this. This is a paper. It is very light. So, the opposite of heavy is light. What is the opposite of heavy? Light. Okay? And next. See, children. What is this? Glass full of water. And see this glass. It is empty. So, full, empty. What is the opposite of full? Empty. The opposite of full is empty. Okay? Next. What is this, children? See this? New dress. It is nice, isn't it? It is new dress. But what is this? This is old. So, the opposite of new is old. What is the opposite of new? Old. Okay? Next. See, what is this? There are many pens in the cup. The pens are in. And now the pens are outside. So, the opposite of inside is outside. The opposite of in is out. Okay? Next. See, children, what is this? This is a sponge, duster. So, how is this? This is dry. And now see, how is this duster? See, the sponge is wet. So, the opposite of dry is wet. What is the opposite of dry? Wet. Okay? Next. Now, children tell me, whenever you go to a shop to buy a chocolate, what you give? You give money. And what you take? You take chocolate. So, the opposite of give is take. Take and give. So, the opposite of give is take. Okay, children? And one more. What is the opposite of fast? Yes, the opposite of fast is slow. The rabbit runs fast, but the tortoise walks very slow. So, the opposite of fast is slow. Okay, children? Hope you understood the concept of opposite words. And now we are going to learn few more opposite words by singing a song. You love songs, isn't it? Come, let's sing and learn opposite words. Okay? Let's all play the opposite game. Let's all think and use our brain. How many opposites can we name? Children, the sun brings the day. Day, day, day. What's the opposite of day? Let me think. Oh, yes. The opposite of day is night. Night, night, night. See children, ఇక్కడ సూర్యాస్తమయంతో నైట్ అవుతుంది అండ్ సూర్యుడు ఉదయిస్తే డే అవుతుంది కదా. ఓకే, కమ్ ఆన్ నెక్స్ట్. Let's all play the opposite game. Let's all think and use our brain. How many opposites can we name? See children, a girl is climbing up, 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 up. What's the opposite of up? Let me think. Yes, the opposite of up is down, 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 down. Okay children, come on next. Let's all play the opposite game. Let's all think and use our brain. How many opposites can we name? See children, ఇక్కడ పిల్లలు ఎంత హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నారు కదా. హ్యాపీ హ్యాపీ హ్యాపీ. సో వాట్స్ ద ఆపోజిట్ ఆఫ్ హ్యాపీ? లెట్ మీ థింక్. ద ఆపోజిట్ ఆఫ్ హ్యాపీ ఈజ్ సాడ్. సాడ్ సాడ్ సాడ్. ఇక్కడ వీళ్ళు ఎంత దిగులుగా బాధగా ఉన్నారు చూడండి. ఎస్. Let's all play the opposite game. Let's all think and use our brain. How many opposites can we name? See children, he is a boy. Boy, boy, boy. What's the opposite of boy? Let me think. Yes, the opposite of boy is girl. Girl, girl, girl. Come on next. Let's all play the opposite game. Let's all think and use our brain. How many opposites can we name? Children, the soup is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Soup chala vediga untadi kada. So, what's the opposite of hot? Yes, I know. The opposite of hot is cold. Ice cream is cold. Cold, cold, cold. Let's all play the opposite game. Let's all think and use our brain. How many opposites can we name? Children, you're right. Right, right, right. What's the opposite of right? Let me think. Yes, the opposite of right is wrong. Wrong, wrong, wrong. Let's all play the opposite game. Let's all think and use our brain. How many opposites can we name? Children, what is this? This is the question. Question, question, question. What is the opposite of question? Yes, I know. The opposite of question is answer. Answer, answer, answer. Let's all play the opposite game. Let's all think and use our brain. How many opposites can we name? Children, ఇతని చూడండి, ఇతని దగ్గర ఎన్ని డబ్బులు ఉన్నాయి కదా. హీఈస్ అ రిచ్ మ్యాన్. రిచ్, రిచ్, రిచ్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆపోజిట్ ఆఫ్ రిచ్? ఐ నో. హీఈస్ పువర్. పువర్ మ్యాన్. ద ఆపోజిట్ ఆఫ్ రిచ్ ఈజ్ పువర్, పువర్, పువర్. పువర్ అంటే పేదవాళ్ళు కదా. ఎస్. Let's all play the opposite game. Let's all think and use our brain. How many opposites can we name? Children, this man is old. Old, old, old. Old ante musali vallu kada? So, what is the opposite of old? I know. It is young. చిన్నపిల్లల్ని young అంటారు. So, the opposite of old is young. Young, young, young. Children, now let's read and write all the opposite words we have learnt. Come on, let's start. Rich, poor. Old, young. Yes, no. Hot, cold. Small, big. Right, wrong. Take, give. Old, new. Day, night. Happy, sad. Open, close. Inside, outside. Question, answer. Out, in. Full, empty. Dry, wet. Boy, girl. Few, many. Near, far. Heavy, light. Okay, children? Shall we read it once again? Okay, come, read along with me. Okay? Rich, poor. Old, young. Yes, no. Hot, cold. Small, big. Right, wrong. Take, give. Old, new. Day, night. Happy, sad. Open, close. Inside, outside. Question, answer. Out, in. Full, empty. Dry, wet. Boy, girl. Few, many. Near, far. Heavy, light. Okay, children? Now, shall we learn along with the spellings? Yes, now let's read along with the spellings. R-I-C-H, rich. P-O-O-R, poor. O-L-D, old. Y-O-U-N-G, young. Y-E-S, N-O, no. H-O-T, hot. C-O-L-D, cold. S-M-A-L-L, small. B-I-G, big. R-I-G-H-T, right. W-R-O-N-G, wrong. T-A-K-E, take. G-I-V-E, give. O-L-D, old. N-E-W, new. D-A-Y, day. N-I-G-H-T, night. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. S-A-D, sad. O-P-E-N, open. C-L-O-S-E, close. I-N-S-I-D-E, inside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E, outside. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N, question. A-N-S-W-E-R, answer. O-U-T, out. I-N, in. F-U-L-L, full. E-M-P-T-Y, empty. D-R-Y, dry. W-E-T, wet. B-O-Y, boy. G-I-R-L, girl. F-E-W, few. M-A-N-Y, many. N-E-A-R, near. F-A-R, far. H-E-A-V-Y, heavy. L-I-G-H-T, light. Okay, children? Hope you got all the words. And children, take out a screenshot and write down in your notebooks. Children, did you enjoy learning opposite words in today's session? Yes, you enjoyed. Thank you, children.